Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix home. Would like to send you critical alerts. For example, as you open your iPhone and you see on your lock screen it is written home would like to send you critical alerts. Why it is showing on your screen and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that what you have to do next is you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply click on reset network setting and reset all settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the home app, and here you have to simply change the settings of that, and you have to click on home settings. And after that, you have to turn off show suggested scenes. So here you can simply turn off all the details here, and moreover you can also remove it from home. And after that you will not get that kind of notification because it usually sends critical notification when your iPhone or device is in danger. So you can simply use it as your security alerts. So if you are getting the notification, then you do not have to panic because it is because of a home app on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.